Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are going to be making our avocado cucumber detox soup, which is a staple recipe of our 10-day detox protocol.
Yes, for over 15 years, I have helped thousands of people support detoxification in their body with my Reset, Restore, Renew protocol. In fact, if you've never done my detox, I invite you to check out the link below and stay tuned till the end of this video where we'll give you exclusive savings. To learn more about my approach to detox and where you might be taking wrong turns and learn about detox myths, check out this video, 5 Detox Myths, and how we approach detoxification with food as medicine, actually nurturing the enzyme pathways of the liver and kidneys that support the excretion of toxins from the body on a clinical level.
I absolutely love this recipe. I even crave it in the summertime, especially when I've got cucumbers to use up in my garden. And I think it's a fabulous alternative to a green smoothie if you're kind of burned out on that sweet flavor profile, want something more savory that could also be a carrier for your daily protein needs.
Yes, this has cooling effects for the peak of summer for sure, supports hydration, and has diuretic effects, which can reduce the swelling that we can experience, especially in the hotter temperatures.
So the best thing about this recipe is that we're using just one blender and dumping everything in. And we're gonna start with 1 whole cucumber. I've already diced and chopped it up here, and you'll notice that I left the peel on because we do get a lot of the rich nutrients, minerals, and vitamins from the peel of the cucumber. And as Allie mentioned, you're also getting detox supporting fiber and diuretic effects to kind of wring out excessive fluid retention from cucumber.
The next things we'll be throwing in the blender are going to be coming from the allium family. So we're looking at smashed 2 cloves of garlic, which have sulfur-containing compounds that support the encapsulation and excretion of toxins, along with 2 tablespoons of chopped raw onion. This could be a yellow or red onion per your preference, but onion is also rich in these sulfur-containing amino acids. You may cry when you cut an onion, and that's because it has such high levels of quercetin and other antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and facilitate that detox pathway. The allium family is a huge piece of detox support in your vegetable choice.
For the primary fat in this recipe, we're going to use a whole avocado. This is going to provide some detox supporting fiber as well as nutrients like folate and glutathione that further support detoxification.
Next up, we're gonna heat things up with chili powder, a pinch of cayenne, and then also incorporating cilantro. So herb seasonings and spices are an essential component of supporting detox. The spicy peppers can aid in thermogenesis, and the capsaicins in them have been shown to support detox while aiding in sweat, which is one of the ways that our body actually can excrete toxins. The cilantro is a rich source of glutathione and also supports chelation of toxic metals.
For the acid to balance this recipe as well as boost vitamin C, we're using the juice of 1 lime as well as a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which is really gonna help to rev bile flow, further supporting detox.
And then to layer in more nutrients, we're going to use bone broth instead of just filtered water in this option. That's going to provide us some protein and electrolytes, as well as amino acids that support gut integrity. So when looking at the 3 R's of my detox, it's to reset your metabolism, it's to restore your digestive health, and renew your cellular health. So getting the boost of probiotics from the Bragg's apple cider vinegar and getting the nutrients for gut support in the bone broth help to support that second R.
To add more protein beyond that bone broth and allow this to serve as a meal replacement, we're gonna add an additional scoop of our grass-fed whey. And mind you, we're going to add this at the very end of the blending process so that the recipe doesn't froth up or foam up too much.
Grass-fed whey that is non-denatured actually retains glutathione, the highest antioxidant, which supports both phase 1 and phase 2 detox. And grass-fed whey is a really rich source of all of the sweet of the sulfur-containing amino acids, which play an essential role in encapsulation and excretion of toxins, while supporting, like you said, that lean body mass as a source of protein.
And last but not least, we finish things off by emulsifying some olive oil in the blender to give a creamy, pillowy mouthfeel, as well as provide some heart-healthy fat.
All right, let's throw it all together. So this comes out like a beautiful green goddess gazpacho. We've also topped, beyond emulsifying that olive oil into the blender, we've topped with a beautiful drizzle, some fresh cilantro leaves, a flaky salt and seasoning blend with another, what did you put on there, cayenne pinch?
Little chili powder.
Sure, you could do cayenne if you want to spice it up a little more even further.
All right,
Let's give it a taste. That spice hits you just in the back, but really rounded out, like you said, I think you said pillowy or velvety mouthfeel. It's really fantastic.
And it's so hydrating too, you know. I love this in the summertime. Delicious.
Thanks for sticking through the whole video. For doing so, we want to give you a discount. Instead of $9.99 for my Reset, Restore, Renew Detox ebook, you can get the comprehensive protocol on how to do my 10-day detox, detox information, the biochemical pathways, food as medicine, and so much more for just $1.99 when you use YT Detox.
You can read the full recipe below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the Naturally Nourished YouTube channel, and leave us a comment below if you try this recipe and how you liked it.
Okay, why is this shirt doesn't know where to go under the apron?
Yeah.
Where does all this material go? It feels very awkward. Do I need an apron? How about you just have an apron? The apron's extra confusing for me in this outfit.
We could not wear aprons.
Well,
We
you
never
can.
wear aprons. We don't need aprons.
Okay. What do you think, guys? Boys?